portable solar power system with FM radio. It is designed for remote areas and houses far away from grid power. It can also be used for emergency lighting in case of sudden power failure. And when you go camping, go fishing, or something like this in the wild, you can use it for lighting, charging, music, etc. Like I said, the portable solar power system has multiple functions. Now let me show you how it works. First is about lighting. Turn on the power switch here and then turn on the light switch and the 10-volt LED bulb lights up. And we can also connect the bulbs, which can be hung on for use. It has 3 meters cable. Second, you can listen to music by FM radio or matching Bluetooth, or inserting TF card or U-disc with audio files. Thirdly, it can be used as a power bank. Turn on the power switch on the side of the system and insert the mobile phone charging cable into the corresponding USB hole to charge.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.